Welcome to the fifth part of this session. So today we will going to start statistics part. So let's consider the first question. That is the 21st question of our lecture session. Okay. So the question here is given that if the letters of the word attitude are written down at random, then the probability that no two T's occur together is. So you have to find that total. So at first find the total number of arrangements of the letters of word attitude. Okay. So attitude, it can be mm, total number of arrangements of the letters will be 8 factorial by 3 factorial. Other than 3 T's, there are 5 letters which can be arranged in 5 factorial ways. Okay. So then 5 T, sorry, other than 3 T's, other than 3 T's, remaining 5 letter, sorry, remaining 5 letter, it can be arranged in 5 factorial ways, right? So in each arrangement of these 5 letters, there are 6 places. Okay. 4 between the 5 letters and one on extreme left and other on the extreme right. So to separate 3 T's, arrange them in 6 places, and this can be arranged in the 6 three ways, right? So the number of ways in which no two T's are together. So number of ways in which no two T's together are 5 factorial into 6c3 ways. Okay. So the required probability to solve this problem is, therefore, the required probability is 5 factorial into 3 ways divided by 8 factorial by 3 factorial. Okay. So in this problem, at first we determined in which way it can be oriented, total number of arrangements of the letters. Okay. Then other than 3 T's, remaining 5 letter can be uh, expressed in this, and it can be expressed in these ways. So number of ways in which the 2 T's are together are this factorial. So the total required probability will be this. So if you solve this, you will get the answer, that is 5 factorial into 6 factorial into 3 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 3 factorial into 8 factorial, and the answer will be 5 by 14. So the answer is option D. Okay. So let's get to the second question. Here it is given that if two events E and F are such that PF is equal to 3 by 5 and P of E given F is half and P of E union F is 4 by 5, then P of E equals what? To solve this, at first PF is equal to, it is given 3 by 5 and P of E given F is equal to 1 by 2, right? Therefore, P of E intersection F is equal to half into PF, right? So it may be written as half into 3 by 5 is equal to 3 by 10. Okay. Now, P of E union F is given as, we know the formula, P of E union F is equal to PE plus PF minus P of E intersection F. Okay. Now just put the value and you will easily find the value of PE. We required to find is P of E. For this, we just put this equation and we have already the values of this, this, and this. So if you just put these values, you will easily find the value of PE, right? So to solve this problem, now we will put the value P of F is equal to 3 by 5, E intersection F is equal to minus 3 by 10, P of E and P of E union F is equal to 4 by 5. If we solve this equation, you will find P of E is equal to half. So the option will be B for the solution of 20, question number 22. Okay, let's jump to the question number 3. So in the question number 3, it's given let x n bar be the sample mean of n observations. So read it carefully. X n bar is the sample mean of n observations. Now, another observation x becomes available. Let x n plus 1 now be the mean for n plus 1 observation. Then we have to find in which solution is correct or correct representation of this statement. So we know x of n plus 1, x bar of n plus 1 is equal to sum of n plus 1 observations divided by n plus 1, because we know that mean is equal to summation of xi by n, right? So if it is, if we add another component here, so it will be x of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So it can be written as sum of n observations plus x divided by n plus 1. Okay, so it is nothing but the sum of n observation will be n of x n bar plus x, right? Because and divided by n plus 1, sum of n observations is n x n bar, right? Plus x, plus x, plus x means that another observation that we have added later. So the total value will be n x n bar plus x whole divided by n plus 1. So this answer is similar with option number C. So option C is the correct answer. Now coming to the question number 24. So in the question number 24, just a second. Okay, so in the question number 24, the question is the mean and range of four observations are 12 and 20 respectively. So if the smallest observation is 5, the median of the observation is what? So we have to find out this value. So suppose the ordered observations are A less than equal to B less than equal to C less than equal to D, where so the median will be, so if this is the ordering for format of A to D, then the median will be B plus C by 2, right? Therefore we have, and mean will be A plus B plus C plus D whole divided by 4, that is equal to, so the mean of the range of four observations is 12 and 20. Mean and range is 12 and 20. So the mean will be is equivalent to 12. So we can write it is equivalent to 12. Okay. And the range is, what is the formula of range? Range is nothing but the difference between upper limit minus lower limit. So here the range is nothing but D minus A. Okay. This is equivalent to 20. Okay. And the smallest observation here, it's is it given here that if the smallest observation is 5, okay, another information is given. So the option in this question, the value of mean is given, that is 12, the value of range is 20, and the smallest observation is 5, it's also given here. So the smallest observation means here the observation, the value is A, so the value of A is equal to 5, it is also given here. So A is equal to 5 is given. So if you put this value A is equal to 5 in this equation, you will find, therefore, D minus A is equal to 20, which implies D minus 5 is equal to 20. That means D is equal to 25. So we got that the lower limit is 5 and the upper limit is 25 in this series. Okay. Now it is given that A plus B plus C plus D by 4 is equal to 12. Okay. It implies B plus C is equal to 48. If we multiply this 4 with 12 diagonally, minus A minus D, right? So, and we know the values of A and D, where it is 48 minus 5 minus 25. So that is equal to 20 18, right? Okay. So 18 is equal to B plus C. And we have already another data where it is given that mean is equal to B plus C by 2. Median is equal to B plus C by 2, which is equivalent to we got the okay, so the median is equal to B plus C by 2. And the question is, you have to find out the value of median here, right? So just put B plus C by 2. We have already got that B plus C is equal to 18 here. So median is equal to B plus C by 2. That is equal to 18 by 2 is equal to 9. So option A will be the correct answer of question number 24. Clear? Now let's jump to the question number 25. Here, in this question, a class has 12 students whose ages are 23, 24, 23, 25, 26, and in this manner. Okay. So one student is selected in such a manner that each has the same probability of being chosen, and the age of X of the selected student is recorded. What is the probability that age of the selected student is more than 25? So to solve this problem, at first let's construct a table. Here it's given. Look, if we categorize this age set, then we find the age set, the lower limit of age is 23, then 24, 25, 26, and the upper limit is 27. Okay. Now we will find that probability of A is equal to this is 23. In the case of 23, we get 1 and 2. Okay. So it will be, and the total number of observations are 12. So 2 by 12. In the case of 24, it will be 21, 2, 3, 4. So it will be 4 by 12. Just find out how many 25 are there in this list. So it will be 2 by 12. Just a second. It will be 2 by 12. How many 26 are there? It will be 3 by 12. And in the case of 27, it will be 1 by 12. Okay. So okay, so this is the table. Okay, now the question is, what is the probability that the age of the selected student is more than 25? So the condition here is P of X greater than 25 is equal to P of X is equal to, it can be 26, or P of X is equal to 27. So here this is more than 25 is there, and more than 25 is 26 and 27. So in case of 26, it is 30 by 12, and it's 1 by 12. So just put this value here, you will get. So the probability P of X, which is greater than 25, will be P of X is equal to 26 plus P of X is equal to 27. From the above table, just put the value that what is the probability of students who will be more than 26 is 3 by 12, and who is more than 27 is equal to 27 will be 1 by 12. So just add these two value and you will get it is equal to 1 by 3. So option 3 of question number 25 is the correct answer. Thank you for this part. We'll meet in the next part.